Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Ether ETFs are coming. Here's how Wall Street says the funds will impact the world's second biggest crypto. Next, XRP seeing crazy bullish crowd sentiment as monthly RSI seeks to break out of a 6-year downtrend. Also, Bitcoin indicator pointing towards deep value for BTC, according to ARK Invest Analysts. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, Ether ETFs are coming. Here's how Wall Street says the funds will impact the world's second biggest crypto. Spot Ether exchange-traded funds are on the horizon, and the historic debut should mark another major win for the crypto industry. But what it could mean for the token itself is less clear. Wall Street has issued a range of outlooks on how the world's second largest cryptocurrency will move once the ETFs launch. According to Reuters, trading could commence as soon as Tuesday, July 22nd. Even before the Securities and Exchange Commission approved the funds in May, optimism in their creation drove bullishness. Since March, Standard Chartered has projected that Ether will hit $8,000 by the year's end. The bank expects these funds to drive $15 billion to $45 billion worth of Ether inflows in a 12-month window. With Ether trading at just under $3,500 as of Friday, that indicates upside of over 130%. Bulls derived their confidence from how Bitcoin behaved after its spot ETFs launched in January. With money pouring into these funds through early 2024, the Apex token climbed over 73%, reaching an all-time high of $73,780 in March. However, opinions split over whether that momentum will materialize for Ether. Ether ETFs will likely only see a fraction of Bitcoin's inflows, JP Morgan noted. Nicholas Panaguretskylu wrote in late May. Citi made a similar forecast this month, anticipating that ETF inflows will make up 30% to 35% of what Bitcoin notched. That amounts to $4.7 billion to $5.4 billion through the next 6 months, the report said, cited by CoinDesk. To back this, both banks outlined some of the same factors. They noted Bitcoin's first-mover advantage and stressed that the Ether token offers functionality that wouldn't be accessible through the ETFs, thus limiting demand. For instance, ETF investors won't be able to access Ether staking, a function where the token is locked up in return for a yield. However, others find these predictions too bearish. In late June, Steno Research projected Ether to reach $6,500 this year on strong inflows. The market's outlook on the upcoming Ethereum spot ETFs is overly pessimistic. We anticipate a net inflow of $15 to $20 billion within the first year, as Ethereum possesses qualities that appeal to Wall Street, the firm said. This should drive its value significantly higher, not only in dollar terms, but also relative to Bitcoin. Sources who spoke with Reuters also noted that Ether's liquidity is much more constrained than Bitcoin, partly due to yielding restrictions. According to Galaxy Digital, this makes Ether more price-sensitive to inflows. In other words, the token might still achieve sizable gains without matching the flows into spot Bitcoin funds. Despite uncertainty around the reception of the ETH ETF, capturing 10 to 20% of Bitcoin ETF flows could propel ETH above $4,000, nearing its peak of $4,800. QCP Capital posted on Telegram in mid-June. Supply considerations are one of the leading reasons Sin Futures CEO Rachel Lynn predicted Ether could rocket to $22,500 this cycle. In a May note, she outlined that Ether's supply has remained at 120 million since 2022, while Bitcoin's trove has kept growing. But whatever impact net inflows and supply may have on Ether's price in the coming months, the ETF's immediate impact may disappoint investors, some say. Price movement will be limited in the first few days, as there will be a slow rotation into ETFs from crypto exchanges instead of rapid inflows. FX Pro senior market analyst Alex Kupczkiewicz told Business Insider. He added, "But look at it more broadly. It's only the second cryptocurrency that can easily be added to investors' portfolios. In the first couple of months after the launch of the ETF, Ethereum's relative weighting may rise." Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, XRP seeing crazy bullish crowd sentiment as monthly RSI seeks to break out of a 6-year downtrend. XRP continues to steal the limelight based on weekly surge of 41.6% thanks to heightened investor accumulation and positive crowd sentiment. Therefore, according to leading crypto analytic firm Sentiment, soaring trader interest has ignited the market rebound in the XRP network. This is a welcome move for XRP since the 7th largest cryptocurrency had stagnated at the 50-cent zone for months. According to CoinGecko data, XRP was trading at 59 cents at the time of writing. Accumulation has been soaring in the XRP ecosystem, with institutional investors igniting this momentum. This is because 300 million XRP coins were purchased between July 12th and 15th, according to Sentiment data. Therefore, a notable HODL trend has also propelled XRP to greater heights. Will XRP erase a 6.5-year downtrend? Things have not been smooth sailing for XRP since its progress was jeopardized by a United States Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit against its parent company Ripple for nearly 3 years. Nevertheless, XRP sighed with relief after a U.S. court deemed cryptocurrency not a security. Based on this status, XRP intends to erase a notable downtrend as highlighted by a top technical analyst under the pseudonym Charting Guy, who stipulated XRP 1-month RSI about to break 6.5-year downtrend with a pending bullish cross, while price has been consolidating in a symmetrical triangle that entire time. I will keep shilling XRP because I think it is one of the biggest opportunities this cycle. Therefore, time will tell how XRP plays out in the short and long term. Crypto Geek acknowledged that the altcoin was staring at a whopping 61,000% increase based on the formation of a symmetrical triangle on the monthly chart. Our next top headline, Bitcoin indicator pointing towards deep value for BTC according to ARK Invest analysts. Analysts at ARK Invest say that several on-chain indicators are currently reflecting positive market health for Bitcoin. In a new report, ARK says that BTC is still in a state of being oversold after large-scale selling from the German government, which liquidated coins this month that is confiscated from an illegal movie streaming website. According to ARK analyst David Puel, Bitcoin's sell-side risk ratio for short-term holders is now in a deep value zone following the multi-month correction. The short-term holder sell-side risk ratio indicator aims to predict whether STHs are about to unload their coins and potentially trigger a correction, says Puel. Another metric in apparent deep value was the sell-side risk ratio of short-term holders printing values as oversold as in late 2023. Puel also says that the minor outflow from multiple indicator, which records periods where the amount of BTC flowing out of miner addresses is high relative to its historical average, is now at a level that has previously corrected with positive market moves. The miner outflow multiple used to gauge miner capitulation in the Bitcoin ecosystem traded at 80%, its yearly average, usually correlated to positive market reversals. According to Puel, ARK believes that incoming economic data will likely force the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates and help boost Bitcoin, contrary to the Fed's current hawkish sentiment. At time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at $67,383. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.